Come on, like attention. I see Naija FM 102.7. Now you position put live and direct. That night away from Ayra Starr until Don Jazzy do video on how to pronounce her name. Most of us don't know. They go Ayra Starr. And only the star will be pronounced at a point. But anyway, now see money runs with Water Bobby, MC, R&B, and Becca Bleeds. You know, we hint to now before say we go get a young sister or young sister when go join us and she did studio right, you know they hear laugh already. But me the verse for her because they want spoil her reputation when never able to tell. And you say me I blame the other guy.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure
I'm innocent, 100%.
You sure say you quick wake up?
Yes. Of course.
You sure? Now not club last night, have you?
No.
You the club, sure?
No. Not as much. Yes.
Okay, you still be 19 years. Anyway, that's not the voice of Ayra Starr. She debuted in here live and direct. Greet your people first of all.
Hi everyone. Thank you for having me.
Same here. We happy say you join us for studio today. So in the next couple of minutes, we'll reason with her, get to know how far she don't come for the music scene. What she do put her into when make her reach where she did right now. She go share her with us. Then wait to be our plans much later for the future, very very soon. Okay, now first of all, I know say a lot of people go really like know, and me go really like know how Don Jazzy to see you. For those who never hear your story, like what do you do when trigger Don Jazzy to place focus, not just place focus on you, but also sign you into a record label?
So, 2018, 2019, I used to put like singing videos on
For cover.
people's cover songs, and I'll do that and I'll put on Instagram. Then 2019 ending now, I started to do my own song, my own first song. I was like, let me sing it on Instagram.
Okay.
And I posted it on Instagram. Not up to 3 hours. Don Jazzy messaged me. Like he wants to meet up.
You did follow Don Jazzy before, right?
Yeah.
You know they follow him before. You did think
No. I'm trying to remember because I remember I didn't see the message because I wasn't holding my phone.
That means you know they follow on then.
Yeah.
So Don Jazzy message enter restricted that time, right?
No.
Oh wow, big girl. Okay, continue.
No. So he saw the I saw the message.
Yeah.
I was like, boss.
Greeting.
Greetings. Then me at the studio. Then rest is history. I'm here. Superstar doings.
So at that point, where you did Nigeria or Benin?
Nigeria.
So how long you don't do Nigeria? Because if they want to talk your profile, they'll say okay, Benin, Nigeria singer. They must. So like how long you don't do
Nigeria? I
Nigeria?
was born in Benin Republic.
Okay.
I stayed there till I was like 4.
Okay.
I moved to Lagos, lived in Abuja. Then we went back to Benin Republic, came back again, and I did my uni in Benin Republic.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. So
did
back and
university.
forth, back and forth.
Yes.
What you actually pursue now come out for Benin, come Nigeria that time? Now you and your papa come or just you?
No, me and my mom and my siblings. I have like 4 siblings and my auntie. So just,
wow. Why your
just
dad
vibes.
not follow now?
My dad was working in Benin.
Okay, at that time.
All right, Ayra Starr, hi.
Hi.
You know, come on time, so
I'm so sorry.
No
Please.
problem.
No, I don't vest for already.
So I want to take your mind back now.
Okay.
Because for somebody with school for Benin at a very, very young age, you'll be 19 right now.
Yes.
So for somebody like you now, maybe say at that time, maybe say you did university, now you be I don't know, were you the youngest in your class then?
I was, but I never used to tell anybody, so they don't meet me. I
So-
don't tell anybody. Sometimes somebody found out. One girl like this found out. I used to be rude to her.
Okay.
He beat me.
I want to ask you, say anytime they will be say you can't be bullied, as a very young
Definitely.
person for inside school.
Yes, definitely. I was bullied. Even in secondary school, I was always the youngest.
Okay.
Like in my class, I was always the youngest. When I had like 13-year-olds, I'll be like the 9-year-old or 10-year-old.
Wow.
I'm not like, wash the plates.
So you can't prove so you be their age group too. Okay.
So I had to like make myself stronger because I also had siblings and I didn't want them to come. My siblings were younger too in their class.
Yeah.
I didn't want maybe like my siblings' classmates to see my own classmates doing like that to me. I want to do like that for my siblings. So
you be first picking.
No, I'm actually the third, but
out of 4 children.
yeah, out of 4. But because of 5. So I have
5?
an older sister. But she didn't go to school with us because she's way older.
Older,
Then I have an
okay.
older brother. But when you are the like female now,
Yeah.
and you're almost the first female, so it's like
popping, yeah.
I have to take care of everybody.
Body, okay.
All right, Ayra Starr, still talking about siblings.
Okay.
A lot of people don't know, say Ayra Starr and a brother, they do songwriting partnership.
Yes.
You understand?
So
yeah.
follow my brother on Instagram at Saint Miller.
Okay. Your
Message
brother
me.
there?
No, he's not here today. He's not here. He
Okay.
usually comes.
But then they stay in Nigeria too, right?
Yeah?
Your whole family right now in
Yes,
Nigeria at the moment.
everybody's in Nigeria.
Oh, okay.
So how the work flow? Sorry,
the be with your
between
brother.
you and your brother on top of the song, right?
Okay, so me and brother, we've been writing since we were 10 years old.
Okay.
Wow.
We mixed Michael Jackson songs. If we want to insult somebody, we just put our own lyrics. Like, that's how we've been doing it since.
Okay.
So we always work together. Like even when he was in school and me, I was here, I would write something. I'm like, how do you feel about this? Into add his own. That's how we did. Even away, that's how we did away.
Wow.
I was writing away from Nigeria, and I sent it to him. I was like, something is missing.
Wow.
Listen to it and help me add something.
And he had a giant sweet. He still get the payment share from
Of
the.
course,
Because you count in millions, so we know we dey follow you. We'll dissect am.
He's getting this money.
Okay, sharp right now, more confusion right now since Maven Record introduced you as your signing, that new whole level for you. And at a point, say when you take come outside, Nigeria, not be say we don't tire for the female artists when we get. We're looking for new face.
Yeah.
You get me, and you bring that feel you can't give us, and everybody grab you, one shop you. When I mean shop your music, not you do. You get. So I really like know how that feeling be for you.
Personally, when I was
Because dropping song they introduce and people like you once. Few artists now then they get that kind of opportunity.
Exactly. Like I remember when I was younger, there was not a lot of like female teenage artists.
It
was
teenage artists,
yes,
not
if
female.
it was, there were not a lot of teenage artists. Like if I want to look for teenage artists or people to look up to, I have
From
to go and for like
30.
like Justin Bieber. I have to go to all those like
then Wizkid.
So I remember that I wanted to I was like, I'm going to work hard and I'm going to be like a teenage superstar, a global superstar from Nigeria. And that's what I wanted to do. From 13 years old, every decision I made was to be here now. So every single decision I made, from finishing school early to being the youngest in class, it was not like play. It was something I wanted to do so I could be here right now. And when I see like the reaction and everything, I'm just the most grateful person.
Right now.
Not just because I've put in work, but because it's not easy, especially when you are female. It's very easy for people to just want to like. I think she's saying
No. Apart from that, not be waiting. She sing. A lot of female don't prove themselves. They will better pass the guy, the guys for the industry. The focus most time and say, you be female, I be, or yeah, wait till you feel far to rub before we feel actually help you. You can I make I would day happy say you come under the umbrella of Maven.
And people also don't expect like females to last. Like,
for within a time.
One song. Okay. I'm here to break that stereotype.
Oh God!
All right, Ayra Starr. I did sure say so many times when you go for an interview. I don't call your name Ayra Starr.
No, I saw you called it better than him. Let me just say.
No, now now you want call her before. Hey, yeah, Starr.
When did I even watch the tutorial?
The tutorial video.
Say that time when we say you just did newly introduced. A lot of reactions come, especially from Twitter, where a lot of people they talk say, this girl want to sound somehow like Thames. She want to do this, she want to do that. So that time when we say a lot of reactions they come from Twitter, say you and Thames won't get
similarity
voice.
Not just for the voice, the looks one.
So how you take cope with all those reactions from people?
I wasn't really bothered to be very honest. It was more like a compliment because I liked him and I like her music. I remember the first time like I heard her song was someone that sent it to me. I was like, you guys sound exactly alike, and I was just like, wow. It was so inspiring to see like a young woman doing such like good things. So yeah.
But at a point, if you say okay, maybe the terms of shadow you know, doing.
No.
Because I don't deal with somebody when somebody tell me say, they easily know the difference between your music, especially the away and the Thames music you get. But right now your album, I think you don't make that difference. It's very clear. Say, man, this is not my sound, this is not Thames sound. Until the release of your album, most people they feel say, okay, now the same person they usually
I feel like
sing. But you don't make you feel somehow say, hope so I'm not going to stay this person.
I tried to be patient because I knew that something like that will happen. To be very honest, when I thought about it, I was like, okay. So I tried to be patient because I felt like when people will get used to my sound. You understand? It's very very normal for the human mind to want to when they get something new, they want to compare it to something they already know. Especially when it's different, they want to just bring it to like the closest thing they know, and it's understandable. So I'm going to keep releasing amazing music, and people will get used to my sound.
Okay, so by the way, you and Thames get any existing relationship? Now don't at any point. Now don't compliment each other.
No,
never see opportunity.
Not yet. Not yet.
But
soon,
you
probably
maybe a song together.
Yes, I got.
Because we're confused. We don't go know who do verse 1, verse 2 at a point. Like, okay, no, this.
All right, now still coming back to you, Ayra. I like your name, so that's why
Thank
they always
you.
mention I'm like that. So at a point, your Ayra Starr EP, say don't become number 1 for 5 countries right now. So a few months later, just not too long. So how you feel about knowing say your song don't become number 1, your EP don't become number 1 in 5 countries?
Really
I
mad,
remember the day I found out, I was just crying, man.
Aww.
I was just crying because I was so grateful. Like coming from where I come from, it's very easy not to want to even dream too big, and just be content with what you have and just think of what am I going to eat. Like it's just very easy to do that. But I try to push myself away from that because I have so many people like depending on me.
Depending on you right now.
So it's just the most amazing thing.
I certainly I want to show of say your mom and even your siblings go really they proud of you
proud.
right now. Like
So
no joke
proud.
at all.
So
Okay, now you get new album out. You don't release
Yes,
EP.
19
I
and
think,
Dangerous out now on all platforms streaming.
Now I think this is not the first time maybe record a break protocol whether they are actually us that because once they introduce artists after maybe they drop EP or drop singles the guy wait like 1 year or 2 years to drop album but your own day different within few months they don't they talk about album and we don't see the album right now 19 and Dangerous 11 track album get CK featured on top one of the song and who again Crochet.
Yeah.
Leave the pronunciation to you on top of the album. So, like right now, I just want to know, since the release of the album, from your end, your expectation of how people will welcome her, is they on point or
Yes, I remember 19 and Dangerous. 2 years ago, I knew my album was going to be 19 and Dangerous.
Wow.
That's the name I wanted for my album. Like I said, every single decision I've made was to be here right now. So, when this year and I clocked 19, I was like, okay, I want an album. But I didn't know how to tell Jazzy and like the team I want an album. So I had to do like a whole PowerPoint presentation.
Serious?
to prove my point, because it's a very like big move from EP, just 6 months to an album. So it was the craziest thing. And when I tried not to think about it because my EP, I came with so much expectations and all. But this one, and the most beautiful thing about this album was I wasn't recording for an album. I wasn't recording. I was just making music. I was just ranting my soul out. I was just giving myself to the music. And when I was done, in the studio, everything made sense as a body.
So all this thing I put inside the PowerPoint when you say give Don Jazzy.
Yes.
Serious. When you say it was like okay, in sense.
It was like okay, Celestial. Good.
Okay. Now Celestial being because I think that now you're okay. I really like no because person when listen to your album or listen to your past song, say you express yourself or they talk more. I want just to know your stories there inside those songs. I want to know because I hear some certain things like I'm like 19, you they do all these things, you they control these things. So I asked
begging in a bus.
Okay.
That time I saw somebody asking like, Ayra, who broke your heart?
Yeah.
I'm like, I was in a bus, so.
But you don't experience heartbreak before. No, nobody's above.
Money broke my heart then. But we're back
money,
together.
We're
back together now.
You go through university. No.
That
Like real heartbreak.
No, it's only money that's broken my heart. Too.
But you don't break people heart, Sha.
Of course.
You agree?
She accepts
Of
now.
course.
The guys from Nigeria know they try. They need to break your heart small. But it might be too late right now because you don't get money. No, they need to break your heart. You need to get the feeling of heartbreak, not money heartbreak. Like seriously. But no, let's be sincere. Like I know you are 19, you see the very young.
Yeah,
but
I've been heartbroken, but it's there's certain
for
types
you
of
need
heartbreak. To be very honest, I don't like to speak on my own stories because I want when people listen to the song, I don't want my own story to stop their imagination from the music. I want them to put their own stories into it. Yeah. So that's why I don't like to talk about my own stories.
But really somebody break all those songs when you write.
I'm not going to talk about it. And
somehow I noticed something. A lot of teenagers, a lot of the young ones, they feel blend with your song. You get because normal most of everything we talk about your song now we're seeing they happen for that teenage years. You get so that make I just nothing they buy if it let us know if person don't break your heart and at what point like more just get that one out. You get why more no.
No.
You know I mentioned the guy name. Was it the Nigerian guy?
I don't want to say anything about it. When you listen to the music, just put your own thing inside and just
But you get boyfriend, Sha. Right now.
My music is my boyfriend.
No, that one are old news. Talk the new one right now.
My music is my husband.
Let's be sincere now.
You don't marry.
No,
I'm married to the music.
No, she said my husband.
Yes, I'm married to the music.
Not be music, leave music. That's a normal one. But you did a relationship right now. You did single.
No, I'm not.
Because as you know what they ask, as you know the relationship, as you know blue. Now you go day hard for you to see person when go really love
No
you. Because now
worry,
you
you
got
go
if you
find.
say most of them want chop your money. Next you go reach 30 years, you know.
No,
so
what do you mean?
but you get plans to settle down.
When God, you know,
You don't involve
God's
God.
plan. God's
All right,
Don't involve
Ayra.
God.
We don't come on.
I want to ask you another question.
Yeah.
You know, say our own Nigerian society, it gets the way we say we believe say a woman supposed carry herself. It gets the way we say woman supposed dress. But looking at someone like you, even in all your video shoots, person go see so you be person way embrace and they confident for your own sexuality.
Yes, so that's something people make mistakes of. So let me just
Okay.
clear it up.
Let me
When I
clear.
hear people say you're so proud of your sexuality, when I dress
No,
up, I
not
don't.
proud. I
Yeah.
can say you
Comfortable.
embrace.
Yes, but when I dress up, I don't dress to be sexual. I don't dress to
Okay.
try to be proud of my
Just
sexuality.
dress to
Okay.
I
be
think
you.
that's one thing Nigerians have so wrong. We over sexualize women. Every single thing a woman
Now
does.
the
go-
society.
Society over sexualizes women.
Yeah.
And as a result
If
of
I'm hot,
hypocrisy.
if the weather is
Weather.
hot, I'm going to wear what I want to
Normally,
wear.
the way Nigeria hosts, most of
If-
us would dress half naked.
If
You don't
I'm
need
cold,
suits.
I'm going to do what I want to do.
No, not
So,
be lie. Oh.
Like I just dress the way I feel like dressing.
Yeah.
I'm a maverick and I'm
Yeah,
I'm
waiting,
I'm
a maverick.
Yes.
What did that mean?
I'm an independent thinker.
Okay, maverick. Okay, I
Maverick.
think you be superhero.
Maverick,
so I
Maverick,
can't-
Maverick. Okay,
So
so
I'm an independent thinker. I don't
Yeah.
really, put myself under societal rules.
Celestial
so
being.
which message now you get for especially young women like Gen Zs, young teenagers
Yeah.
like you, where they still they struggle, with themselves right now.
Yeah, one thing I learned so early.
Yeah.
I thank my mom and my auntie and my older sister for that is just learn to embrace who you are. Just be yourself no matter what. See, they're going to tell you it's not right. A woman should not do that. Just be who you want to
Limit
be.
you.
Like it's so beautiful when I see a young girl just doing her own thing. When I go to Instagram and I see just a young girl, doing her own thing. Maybe she has a bit of it. Maybe a bigger tummy and she
Or
doesn't
they call
care.
it fupa.
Doing her own thing. Do you understand? Like it's just the most beautiful thing. It's the most inspiring thing. So just be yourself.
Yeah.
Be who you want to be and just do your own thing and believe in yourself.
Okay, I like really know, especially for the young fans when they follow you. What be your workout routine? Because be like see you dey do workout. I mean, I saw you naturally be.
I don't work out too.
You because when we see you,
Yeah, I'm very.
flat tummy.
yeah, flat tummy everywhere.
Yeah.
You never.
No, I don't work out too.
Or you watch your diet. That
They
one
watch
too.
what you eat.
Pay
I
another
dey
role.
chop, oh.
You dey shop. What be your favorite food? More even know.
Right now, my favorite food right now
Yeah,
is bole.
bole.
So, bole and
Port Harcourt
fish.
bole.
Yes.
Okay.
proper.
Why I ask am? How you want to chop that food when you get big belly? You not fit get big belly. Nah, now you go chop when you got big belly. Okay, right now back to your new album. Right now, 19 and Dangerous. Beggy. If almost all the song don't become trend right now, fashionista when we settle down,
Fashion
listen to
killer.
them. So the fashion killer don't become a major trend. Bloody Samaritan don't become a major trend. Even Beggy. I think I see one or two videos recently too on TikTok right now. So at a point you expect all these songs to really move up like that, or you expect one to just pop up before?
No, this album is to the world. To be very honest, I'm going to milk it for as long as I can. So everything
Okay.
is going to be number one by God's grace.
Number one, okay,
We'll
man.
push it for as long as we can. So yeah.
Okay. So, videos to any of these singles don't pop out.
Yeah, so Bloody Samaritan video out very soon. I posted a video on my Instagram and it's the performance lyric video and people think that's the music video.
Oh,
The
that will
video
not
is-
be even the music
No,
video.
that's,
Cash,
the music,
yeah.
that's performance. That's just to give you a taste of what is coming.
What is
The
coming?
music video coming out soon, directed by yours faithfully, the star herself. You know?
You?
Yes.
For real? Oh, wow. So you direct your own video?
Yes.
So apart from being a songwriter, are you a producer too?
I just started learning
Production,
So very
wow.
soon now, producer,
Yeah.
maybe has producer.
You be like selfish
director,
person. You don't want to share your money, Abi.
everything.
You be selfish person.
No, it's just that I have certain visions in my head and so people can't just do
See
it.
let
for me.
person chop Ayra Starr. Ayra Starr.
Ayra, out of all these your songs they did for your album, which one be your favorite? Even our
Bloody.
parents they get favorite too.
Yes.
I know it's a lie. I'm a good parent. I love all my children equally.
But which one you feel say supposed to be your favorite? If not, so you want to move? That's the question.
No, all of them. I love all of them equally. I love all my
Beggy.
babies equally.
So how working with CK for studio? Now actually work or you just send out right and doing your own part? Now they listen to the record.
So I wrote the song
Okay.
last year.
Okay.
I did it on my story.
During
I
your
did it
camp,
last
abi?
year,
Okay.
and everything. So yeah, so I wanted like a male perspective on it,
Oh,
and I
no.
really love like CK's music. I
Mm.
really love his voice.
Yeah.
So I sent to him and like begged for a verse, and he
That mean not love seeking in person, only his voice and music you love.
loves everybody.
Even
I
Rihanna
love
get boyfriend
everybody.
now.
I love everybody.
Okay.
So, Ayra, apart from music and all those other stuff, now waiting, Ayra, they do. Apart from music and all those producing, directorship,
Yeah,
blah,
I'm
blah,
asking
blah,
when
blah.
I say people will be like, this girl is boring.
Oh, yeah,
I'm such
just
an
tell
old
us.
soul. I like to read books. I'm
Oh.
currently
Oh.
watching Big Bang Theory now.
Oh,
So I'm an introvert. I just like to stay home and read books. I even brought one book here. I didn't carry it with me.
Wow.
I'm trying to
Boring.
finish reading it because this is the only free time I have.
So
So,
being
finish
an
the book.
introvert and all of us don't say as one say you dey into entertainment, certainly you must be outside. You
So,
get me. So how you come to the cope with all those men up and down?
It's not that easy, but
Yeah.
you know, I know how to multitask. So when I'm outside, we outside.
So okay, sharp right now. How your DMB? I want to know. Let's be serious. How your DMB?
It's not. It's okay. It's nice.
Let-
It's doing well.
Let me be sincere. The pictures of the upgrade, right? No, we'll not be now waiting. We need to get conversation. How did it? Because you not get how both male and female not go day your DM.
Everybody.
But
Everybody's in the DMs.
you did reply some when you see some picture when they send come. Or you don't get those picture, wow picture. Like, why you send me this picture? You don't get them.
Somebody took
Yeah.
my picture from. I don't know where the person found the picture from. My
Yeah.
picture from when I was like 16.
Yeah.
And he photoshopped himself
Oh,
inside the picture.
as your boyfriend. You see why you
and
need the
sent
real
it
boyfriend?
to me. I was like, why would you do this? I was like, why would you do this?
For real. Okay, sharp right now because I know say time not too much day we start again. We'll get next show when they pop up very soon. So before you come on with studio, I really like know for those who don't know your real names, just give them because I think we missed that out on the.
Yeah,
real
so my name is Oyin Consola Aderepipe, Sarah. I was born in Benin Republic. My dad is from Kwara. My mom is from Delta.
You not be Benin, you be full Nigerian. I'm telling you, serious. Now let's get it for born you.
I just grew up there.
So
and
you
I
be
was born there.
full you Nigeria breeds now.
No, she should be dual citizen.
You not do anything.
She
Nah,
do
you want do an
My mom is my.
you want one at Benin, then one for Dua when you did there. Sorry, no offense, though. No offense. So, like, I like to know who and who you actually, listen to when you dey grow, when shape this your sound. Because I picture some for my head already.
So I listened to
Yeah.
Two Face,
One.
Wande Cole, Shakira.
And you know,
Oh,
so you
I
get
see
that
where the
waist,
belly for
yeah.
come. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
After you wash hips on like that, you come start to do exercise, make your waist.
I remember when I was 7, that Hips Don't Lie
Yeah.
video. That
Yeah.
everywhere I go.
You did one?
Everywhere I go, my waist is moving.
Okay. What about Rihanna?
Rihanna definitely.
Yeah.
Eartha Kitt,
Yeah.
Asha.
Yeah.
A lot of amazing people.
Because those people sound right now, you must certainly see the effect for your music. Right? As me and you dey hear right now, and why I just get
I
to
be
find
the way
out.
so you go mention Billie. She not Billie Shaw.
Billie Eilish.
Billie, are you a fan of her?
See, I'm wearing her merch.
Oh.
Because you don't mention her out of all those people. I don't wonder why.
Yeah.
No, she's the love of my life. I didn't really start growing up because we were the same.
Yeah,
almost
but
the
she
same
just
age.
she just fall out recently.
Yes,
not to,
but
not to-
I love her music.
love her sound. But wait to be your take on metalhead though. Because see, I know we live society where we dey shy away from that arrangement. You get because we want as strong always, but you get a certain level of your life when you go day. When we say man, you got the mentally strong to remain for that position. So
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Mental health. That's what I usually sing about it. One of
Yeah.
my songs on the album In Between is
Yeah.
about mental health. It's about like depression, feeling like you're falling and all that. And mental health is so important to me. If I don't feel like I'm up to it, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to remove myself from that situation completely until I feel fine enough. Because I've seen people, especially people my age, people
Yeah.
like in this generation, the Gen Z, so easy for them to fall into like
straight up.
straight up like depression, suicide, and all that. Like it's so because we're in a world that actually like indirectly encourages depression.
Yeah, sure.
You get so
Through our actions and decisions sometimes, yeah. And listening here, they always day. So you they like at any point you don't need to see someone, talk to someone. How you dey usually?
I have ADHD, That's like hyperactive. That's an hyperactive disorder.
I think the last time I heard that was Jack. Jonah Lucas,
Yeah, so I have like an attention and hyperactive disorder. So I'm like very active, and I'm also like I lose attention very quickly.
Yeah.
So that's why music is one of those things that's so important to me, because that's the only thing that helps me focus, and that's the only thing I can focus on like straight up very easily. But also like I remember when my dad passed away, like I was in this
because you don't talk about mom sibling. You never put that for the picture since I kind of wonder, okay, whether break up or the sorry about that. At what age?
No, it passed away 2019.
2019. Oh.
Sorry about
Sorry,
that.
not the same year. Maven Rekandi.
Yes, I remember. It was like
wow. Oh, sorry about that, though.
Yeah, so that video I posted that Don Jazzy saw, it was about me like just talking about like depression, just doing like. So it was like when Jazzy saw it, I was like, wow, this song, like, because I was going through a lot. I was trying to go over my dad's like passing, and I just graduated university. I didn't know where to go.
What will be the next one?
Like,
Whether you want to look for a job?
What do I do from here? Everything just fell into place.
Oh wow! Well, say that means we'll just talk. Say Don Jazzy contacting you, now blessing.
Yeah,
definitely.
Certainly. Okay.
All right, Ayra Starr, we go the round of the interview now because the next person we want to show don't come. So, which last words you get for Ayra Starr fans?
What are your fans they called?
So I used to call them a certain name, but because of now I've seen that it's everybody, like even the males, females, everybody. So I want something that can be for all of them. So they'll come up with something. I want to give them that
special name. So now see they work around.
Yes, I still working around.
Will they wait for around them? Will they wait for around?
So my people, Stream 19 and Dangerous. Listen to the album. We're going global by God's grace. I thank you guys so much for all the love. I'm so grateful.
Okay. Before you go, how your relationship be with Rema and Ruga?
Beautiful. I guess Rema is my friend.
Okay. Ruga uncle.
Ruga is a friend too. I don't really know him like that, but I want to get on a song with him.
What about Rema too? We hope to see you now too on the song.
Definitely soon.
Oh, I don't record this song.
No, not yet. But something. Don't force music. It just comes.
How old Rema be again? 21, have you?
I don't know.
It just comes.
It's just 21, right? Or 20, right?
So, no.
Okay. Like, okay. No, that question not going to enter, but I feel like just asking it. At any point, like, the 12 when I go. Like Jay-Z and Beyonce.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's possible. No, all these things we don't need to because say when I did the same record label, you know how you are seeing he's doing what you are doing where the next is Jay-Z and Beyonce. Not be start time. Rihanna and Asap, Rocky.
Angels are singing.
You are worthy.
My sister wants to speak pidgin by all means. Anyway, more not clear. If it just happen like magic, you can never tell though.
So what next for you after this album?
That is not great answer. No?
More music videos coming.
Okay.
Like I said, this album we're going global. Okay?
Steady,
So let's keep listening to it. We're not moving anywhere. We're not going anywhere.
Until they don't shop and finish,
Yes. So more music videos. Maybe remixes on the way.
Okay, no problem. Anyway, thank you very much, Ayra.
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 Letter I.
Okay,
Ayra.
Yes. Hey, yeah. Thank you for coming. Wish you
Thank you so much for
more
having
blessing
me.
on top. This is your journey for the music scene, and just as you yarn, it go global. Certainly, more album, more EPs to your name too, and more hit single to your name. So we'll deliver Beggy right now. Give you on top your domot. Meanwhile, that bloody Samaritan, we need to do this challenge. You need to do the challenge with us before you come out.
Definitely.
You need to teach us how you say now bossing, right? Bossing.
Just have to.
Which hotel parking lot for do that video?
You want to give them adverts, Abby?
No, right?
I'm not gonna say.
Thank you so much.
Dog.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, now Beggy, they come your domot right now. Not go anywhere. I see Naija FM, MC around, be and Becca, please.
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.